Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the left freezer drawer slide assembly in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Fully open the freezer drawer and use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to partially unthread the two top screws, securing the drawer front to the glides. Lift the drawer front up to detach it from the glides. Next, use a large flathead screwdriver to help detach the left and right drawer stops. Lift out the center drawer. Detach the main freezer drawer bin assembly from the glides and set it aside. Release the support bar collar and you can remove the support bar. Using a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver, unthread the two front mounting screws, securing the drawer slide assembly. Pull the old assembly forward to remove. Install the new drawer slide assembly by positioning it on the liner and mounting posts, then push back. Thread the mounting screws to secure. Reinstall the support bar and snap the collar into place to secure. Replace the main drawer bin assembly. Reinstall the center drawer. Then snap the left and right drawer stops into position. With the freezer drawer glides fully extended, you can reinstall the drawer front by aligning the plastic studs and the mounting screws with the bracket slots. Tighten the two screws. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.